Hi, in this video I would like to show you how to make charts in LibreOffice Calc. For example, we have here two columns, month and sales. If you would like to create a chart based on this data, we need to select these columns and then we need to click on this one icon. It will let us to insert chart in this sheet. So I click on it and now you'll be able to select type of the chart that you want to use. You can use columns charts. For example, you have here selected on default normal column chart, but of course you can try different types, for example bar chart, you can select here pie chart or line chart, everything depends on your preferences. So for example, we would like to create here a column chart, it is most popular choice. So I select here column and I select here normal. So now let's go to data range tab, and here I recommend you to check if data range is selected correctly. I have here selected data series in columns and I have checked first row as label and first column as label, but of course these settings depends of your columns and structure of your table. So now this chart looks like that, it's really great. If you want to finish it, you need to click on this one button, and after that your column bar will be successfully inserted in LibreOffice Calc. So in this way you can easily insert charts. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel, and please let me know in comment if it solved your problem.